Welcome to this short and sourceful website tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to focus on some basic modern web design trends. In this tutorial, we're going to practice how to make images like these ones instead of just putting them like that. And I'm not saying that these ones are bad, but actually we are focusing on some trending web design. How to use some simple Illustrator tools to put some beautiful retouches to your images, and you do not need any Illustrator background to do that. We will just learn that together by using simple tools, so you will not be an expert, and this is not a needed skills, but actually if you want to do some design that is modern and unique, you will have to use something powerful like Illustrator. How to make a color palette SAS variables in order to use them through your website. So the SAS variables are actually variables that you can use through the whole pages and the whole CSS sheets that you are making the colors for your website with. In order to achieve the most benefit of your time from this tutorial, you must have a basic to mid background about the following skills: SAS, JS, CSS, and Bootstrap. Notice that this tutorial will not focus on web animation. Maybe other or later tutorials will do that. So let's not waste any of your precious time and go directly to work.